Hi, Portia. Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Ano po, nag-iikot-ikot lang po.
Okay. Kamusta ka naman?
Okay lang po, kayo po.
Okay lang din naman. Oh, ang ganda mo ngayon, Portia.
Thank you po.
Okay, nakita kasi kita ngayon dito. Okay lang, ma-photoshoot ulit kita.
Oh, sige po,
Okay.
part 2.
Opo, part 2 na, no? Kamusta ang buhay-buhay dito sa, dito sa Cavite?
Okay lang po, nakaka-stress po dahil po sa school.
Sa school, okay. Di ba, nasa Aurora ka?
Opo, pero dito na po ako nagbe-base
Dito ka
sa...
na sa Cavite. Okay. Okay, photoshoot ulit kita for another photoshoot part 2. Okay, game ka?
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby. Baby, you're my angel. Angel, baby, angel. Angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby. Baby, you're my angel. You're my angel. Angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby. Baby, you're my angel. Angel, baby, angel. Angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby. Baby, you're my angel. I need a love, how can you say? Pull me from hell, bring me back again. Play me the classics, something romantic. Give you my all when I don't even know. I always dream down the sun face. Someone that feels like a holiday. Now I'm in pieces, really believing. Starting to think that I've lost all feeling. Came out the blue on a rainy night. No lie, I'll tell you how I almost died. But you'll bring me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid of living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the word forever. Until you give up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby. Baby, you're my angel. Angel, baby, angel. Angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby. Baby, you're my angel. Angel, baby.
Ano masasabi mo sa sa photos of the day?
Gaganda po, I love it so much.
Ano ginagawa ngayon sa buhay ni Portia?
Puro aral lang po talaga.
Ano nga pala anong grade ka, no?
8 po, grade 8, junior.
Lang nila, ano palang social media nila?
Yung FB ko po, you can follow me po, Portia Miran po.
Portia Miran, dati siyang model ng mga brand.
Opo, commercial model. Nor ginataang po, potato corner, tas top sarap po. Tas yung iba po mga teleserye na po.
Ayun, meron kang bagong project ngayon.
Wala po so far, pero saan po soon magkaroon po.
Paano ba makakontakt si Portia?
So, pwede po through Gmail or sa FB page ko na lang po mismo.
Ayun guys, maraming salamat kay Portia Miran sa pagkulang
Thank you
ng
din
photoshoot.
po.
Ma'am, lagi mag-iingat ha. Thank
Opo,
you sa
kayo
pagpaunlak
po.
uli. Ayun, sana makita ulit kita next time.
Next time.
Ayan.
I just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid of living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the word forever. Until you give up heaven to could be together.